Okay, here's a dude with his new haircut. Yeah, you got some nice eyebrows there, dude. Alright. Go down the hallway so we can see your haircut. Go. And come back this way. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, come. Turn around. Dude, get your tail. Get your tail, dude. Dude, get your tail. Good boy. Other way. Good boy. Come. Sit. Good boy. Can you speak and say hi to Chrissy? Speak. Speak. Hi, Chrissy. Hi. Speak. Again. She can't hear you. She can't hear you. What? One more time. One more time. Hi, Chrissy. What? One more time. Oh, that was a good boy. Okay. Bye, Chrissy. Say bye, Chrissy. Good boy. We'll finish his haircut later today.